Hi everyone, James here from the Fireplace Factory. Every now and again we get customers who come in and I love talking to them about the setups and what they're going to be doing. There's certain particular customers, they come in and the setup that they've told me, it's been inspired by a Dutch designer, and it's going to be absolutely unreal. So I've done a bit of begging, they've let me come into the home kindly enough. So what I'm going to do, get some footage beforehand, explain what's happening, and then after all the magic's happened and it's all been fitted, then we're going to be coming back. So let's take a little look at this wall. As you can see, they're doing the full wall on it. So what they're going to be having, the bottom part of the wall, I'll spin it around in selfie mode. Bottom part of the wall, they've got storage units which are going to be coming up about 53 centimetres. On the right hand side of the wall here, now they've got some higher storage units going in, and then they're going to be doing this. They're going to be putting this stuff in. Now, this is like a acoustic paneling. The colour they've gone for is the rustic walnut. So we're going to be looking at some of this in our showroom very soon. It's really easy to fit. It's really light. I'm going to get in touch with this company because we're getting a few prices ourselves. So they're going to have the acoustic paneling going up with the mirror dividing it. That's only going to go about a quarter into the wall. Then they're going to be plastering right across, putting the TV near enough dead centre of that wall. The TV is going to be going about here. Then we're going to come across, panoramic fire is going in here, and then above that we're going to go for more of the acoustic paneling. And then before you get to the last kind of fifth of the wall, then we're going to be going with 4 storage units going down, 4 shelves going down. They're going to have the LED lights on the back, which will make it really stand out. It's going to be amazing. So we're going to revisit this in a couple of weeks when it's all done. And then can't wait to see it. Really exciting to see. But yeah, we'll catch up on this one in a couple of weeks.